Sam, is it normal to feel this nervous on your first day? Here are 6 words for today. Supervisor means a person who manages your work. Example, my supervisor gives me instructions every morning. Colleague means a person you work with. Example, my colleague sits next to me. Handbook means a small book with company rules. Example, I read the handbook on my first day. Task means a piece of work you must do. Example, my first task was easy. Settle in means to become comfortable in a new place. Example, it takes time to settle in at a new job. Get the hang of it means to start understanding something after practice. Example, after 1 week I got the hang of it. Sam, is it normal to feel this nervous on your first day? Maya has just arrived at her new office. Sam meets her at the front desk.
Yes, it's completely normal. Everyone feels nervous on their first day. I'm your supervisor, by the way. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here. What should I do first?
First, let's get you a badge. Then I'll show you around the office.
They walk down a long hallway. Sam points to a small room.
This is the break room. You can get coffee or tea here anytime.
That's great. Where is my desk?
Right there, next to your colleague's desk. She started here last month, so she can help you too.
Perfect. What will I be doing today?
I have a task for you. Please read this handbook first. It has all the company rules.
Okay, I'll read it now. Maya reads the handbook for 20 minutes. This is very helpful. I understand the rules now.
Great. Now let's start with your first real task. Please answer these emails from customers.
Maya works for an hour. Then Sam comes back to check on her.
How is it going?
I think I'm getting the hang of it now. At first it was difficult, but now I understand the system.
That's exactly right. You are settling in very nicely.
What does settle in mean exactly?
It means becoming comfortable in a new place or job.
I like that. I think I'm settling in well here.
You definitely are. Let's take a short break. Come to the break room with me.
They walk to the break room. Maya's colleague smiles and says hello, then returns to her work. Everyone here is so friendly.
Yes, we're a good team. You'll enjoy working with us.
Thank you, Sam. I feel much better now. I'm not nervous anymore.
That's wonderful. You did a great job on your first day.
Let's check what you remember from the conversation. Let's look at our 6 words again. Supervisor is a person who manages your work. The supervisor gave us new instructions today. Colleague is a person you work with. My colleague and I had lunch together. Handbook is a small book of rules. The handbook explains how to book holidays. Task is a piece of work to do. I finished 3 tasks before lunch. Settle in means becoming comfortable somewhere new. We are still settling into our new house. Get the hang of it means learning to do something after practice. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it soon. You can find episode 7 of Everyday Conversations in this playlist, and don't forget to download the free PDF workbook to practice these words yourself.